17 shifts.
Yeah, very crispy.
Oh man. Thank God I washed the car for the vlog today. This bird took a fatty shit on the back of the taillight. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tuning the white S4 finally. We're doing a baseline run with the Unitronic Stage 1 with the new 034 Motorsport Stage 1 tune, as well as TCU tune. And we're also at Joey's brand new house. He did move a little while ago, as well as Mike. So apologies for the lack of videos lately, but there's been a lot of movement going on in the channel. But I'm very excited for this one. Mike's been really enjoying his Stage 2 tune, so I'm really excited to see how the Stage 1 tune with the transmission tune compares on our S4 versus our Unitronic tune that we've been running for quite some time. I've had no issues with the Unitronic tune. It's been great, but we haven't had a chance to really have the transmission tuned as well as a updated tune from 034 to compare it with, so I'm really excited to see the differences between the tune. So we're going to do a 0 to 60 run with the Unitronic for the baseline, and then we're going to tune it and then run with the 034 tune to see the difference between the two tunes as well as the drivability just around town. But this is Joe's brand new garage. Joe's here with us. He'll be helping tune.
What's going on, guys? How's it going?
But it is a full 2.5 garage? Three. My bad. It is a 3-car garage. It's looking great so far. I know he's got a lot of plans for it. We'll show you guys right here. Awesome TV, little workbench area. Obviously, we got the garage fridge. We can't skimp on that.
That came from Colca's.
That was Colca's?
That came from Colca's.
Clutch. Oh yeah. So, yeah, clean supplies. The garage is looking great. House is looking awesome. Yeah, got it all. Sammy's SQ5 over there. Obviously, we got Joey's S6. So we're gonna head out now. We're gonna take the S4 out, get a baseline, and then we'll come back in the garage and tune it. So we'll see you over there, guys. So last time we were doing 0 to 60 runs, we did not have the upgraded wheels, brakes, and we had different tires. So we are going to give our first 0 to 60 run here in just a hot minute. Dragy is reset, so traction's off, and we will get our baseline here. Dynamic mode, sport. All right, here we go, boys. That felt good on the new tires. It is raining a little bit, unfortunately, but not a whole lot to make much of a difference. Let me check to see what that time was here. Hopefully it caught it. Our 0 to 60 on the first run was 4.87. 4.87. We're gonna give her probably one more go ahead, yeah? All right, so 4.4 then 4.8, not the best. We've done better before. I think I'm just not launching it correctly. Sometimes this car's pretty tricky to launch, and I'm not holding it all the way to boost. And we had a car behind us, and I just felt rushed. So we're gonna do a final one. I'm gonna hang on to boost as long as possible. Hopefully this will be our best run. Otherwise, we're just gonna stick with these 3 numbers and tune it and then run it again. So hopefully this one is below 4 seconds. Hopefully.
It's 4.4. Let's
Confirm.
4.41, 4.41, 4.42.
4.42, yeah. I don't know. I mean, I guess numbers aren't always everything at the end of the day. It's kind of how the car feels. It felt fast. It could be.
It feels great.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna go back. We'll flash the 034
Beat the
tune.
rain.
And yeah.
It's so easy to tune it.
Yeah, it'll take probably, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to tune it, and it'll be out on the road again. the Stage 1 Plus that we're running. Stage 1 Plus, 454 horsepower and 481 foot-pounds of torque. So we're doing 93 octane. We will eventually be going E85, but for now, we're just gonna be running the 93 octane tune. And they're claiming it's 434 horsepower and 567 foot-pounds of torque. So according to their dyno, their graphs, a little less horsepower, not by much, but almost 80 more foot-pounds of torque, I'm assuming.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, between that and hopefully the transmission tune, it should be very noticeable. So, software loaded up. We're gonna plug in our tuning cable. All right, we're plugged in. And
I'm just taking, you know, glory shots. Shout out our friends ECS.
all right, let's turn the electronics on. Then we'll plug her in. All right, get the fab top. Squeaky boots today.
Like on the ambulance too. I was like, sure, wear the loudest shoes you can when you've got a quiet garage. This is the most difficult part
This
of,
really
of
is.
tuning. What's going on?
It's 0%. I don't know why it's.
The internet signal's good. Is that cable long enough to rest the computer on the roof?
Yeah, it should be. That's a good idea. All right, nice. So now we gotta hit next. Controller is identified. Loading. Select a tune. I do the Stage 1 calibration. 93 for the revision. I think that's all we need. Okay, so we're currently flashing the Stage 193 octane 034 tune. Right now the car is going through a bunch of different programs. It's flashing the transmission light, the tire pressure light. This is all a normal cycle for when the car is tuning. It will make a bunch of noises, so don't be weirded out when you guys are tuning it and you hear these noises going on. It's just part of the process. Programming completed. Power off the ignition and press enter continue, and we are going to do such. The ECU is tuned. We're going to hit up the Stage 2 TCU tune. There's two options, Stage 1 and Stage 2. The Stage 2 TCU tune that is designed to further improve the drivability. So we have improved shift speeds, optimized shift points, and kickdown switches enabled in manual, as well as an AMAX shifting strategy. AMAX stands for acceleration maximum. If you guys didn't know that, I didn't know that. You're really getting the best of both worlds here when you're tuning for the ECU as well as the transmission. I think that was one of the reasons what I was lacking running the Unitronic tune, is that it didn't have a TCU tune. So it felt almost better to drive it in manual where I could shift it myself besides having it in sport. So I'm really excited to get this going. Calibration. So you have to choose the calibration on the TCU as well. We're gonna go with the 91 to 93. Eventually, we will go E85. I'm excited for that, but for now, we're just gonna do the 93. Turn on my ignition. So let's turn the ignition back on, wait for it to cycle, then I'm gonna hit flash it. It's just the first vlog in the new garage.
This is the first vlog. This is the second time we worked on a car we did in Maya. This is the first tune in the new garage. That's for
First
sure.
tune. Let's go.
Christening this.
Some of the most exciting days of car ownerships.
Yeah.
Buying the car, then tuning the car.
Then maybe on the next vlog,
We got a lot
maybe
of
we'll do something with my car.
Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Power off ignition, press enter to continue. So I'm gonna hit the ignition, power down, and then we're gonna hit enter to continue. All right, so we can close this out. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right, buddy, you ready to start this up or what?
Yeah. Let me open this garage up and
Hell yeah.
we'll let her rip.
Did you hear a crackle?
It like did like a
Did it?
Are those things open?
Yeah, the valves are open now. Oh wait, they sound like they're closed. Okay,
Yeah.
I think it's a couple more pops
Okay, let's head back out to
Yeah, let's do
the
it.
spot.
I am gonna turn around in the parking lot real quick here, boys. Do a little quick step on it. Already I'm noticing a lot more power on the top end. The Unitronic tune felt great down low, but I definitely felt it die up top. The 034 tune, it pulls hard, man. It's pulling a lot harder up top.
All the way through the power band.
Yeah, all the way through, probably till like 5.5. Whereas like before, it kind of died at like 4,000. All right, I'm gonna do like a rolling launch right here. Wow, dude, you feel those fucking shifts?
Yeah, very crispy.
Oh man! All right, even when you drive it, because I'll let you launch it, you're gonna give your opinion for sure. But I think already, without even launching it, it feels a lot faster. Wow. Okay. Oh, all right. Fucking A. All right. That's awesome. That's so silly. All right. Let me turn around up here. There's literally no cars. All right. Let me get the draggy reset. 0 cars. Sport mode. Ready. Wow. Yeah, that was whoo. Woo. Dude, way different. Way different.
So
3.8.
3.8.
3.8 seconds.
I mean, we're on the same road.
We're on the same road.
Slightly further down, but it's flat.
It is flat.
This honestly might be flatter. I feel like we were on a downhill before.
Yeah.
Going that way too.
And like, did you see me? I was sliding before the boost, before I even let go.
It was like pushing.
Yeah, the brakes couldn't even hang on. Even the Brembos couldn't even hang on. It just kept ripping forward. Yeah, dude. I'm gonna do one more.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have you hop in and you do it, okay? Oh yes! Yo! How that's a huge difference. Huge difference. What the fuck? Buddy, that one made me feel a little silly, man. That got me going. Can't even talk right now. What was it, 0 to 60? 3.84 again, which is it. So like,
I mean, 0.6 seconds.
0.6 second different. Like, maybe I was in stock. There's no way the car was stock because it was fashion stock. Dude, the transmission tune is nuts. It just
Yeah,
slams
it
you
really.
in the back seat.
You can hear it grabbing really hard. It sounds
Yeah.
good.
I gotta hear it from the outside. Wow. All right.
That's what I love to see. 0.6 seconds faster.
Yeah.
Been on and off raining.
On and off
But-
raining. So
But
it's
it is
a little
pretty
bit
dry out
wet.
here. But comparative to an hour ago.
To an hour ago, the difference is fucking
Right.
huge. Give me a couple revs out here too, yeah? I'm telling you, boys, it is quite the difference. The transmission tune, whew, it's like snapping you back in your seats. It's hard to describe, but it is night and day. The car is totally transformed. For both having stage 1 tunes, oh my gosh, that extra foot-pounds of torque is quite the difference. So Joey's in it now. He's gonna let it rip. He tried it before, so we're gonna have him give his go at the 0 to 60 and see what he gets. Oh my God. You know, you never really get to see your car driving outside Because you're always driving your car, but when you do, it always makes you smile. God damn. .93?
Yeah, on that.
Hell yeah.
So,
dude, what'd you think?
it pulls your face back.
Yeah, a lot faster,
Yeah,
huh?
a lot. And then in between each gear, you feel the AMAX engaging, and it's
Dude, it is.
it like pulls you back even more. It's,
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Holy crap.
All right.
Jesus. Woo!
Your brakes grab.
Yeah, they fucking rip. Wow. Wow. I had expectations because I heard a lot of good things about this tune, but
But I mean, the difference we saw in an hour.
just an
from
hour, yeah.
Doing the run, tuning it, going back to do another run, and it's that much faster. Now, it's still a stage 1 tune.
Yeah, this is still a stage 1 tune, which is crazy. Okay, in conclusion of the two tunes, it really wasn't a contest which one was faster. Over a half a second quicker to 60, the 034 Motorsport tune was absolutely unreal. It pulled hard. It pulled like you felt it in your chest. Even Joey was saying so. Like the launches were way more vicious. The shifts were insane. The overall power up top was way greater. Like you felt that torque difference. And between that and the transmission tune, it is an unbelievable package for stage 1. It makes me excited to go for stage 2 as well as ED5. Big shout out to Joe for helping me tune the car today. We got a lot more content for this car on the way. Thank you guys as always for watching. We really do appreciate the support. It means a lot for us. And gosh, guys, I cannot believe this platform. It's so exciting just to see the progress that the community is making with the car and the progress that tuning companies are making. We're going hybrid turbo in the future. I don't know which one yet. Let me know your guys' thoughts below. Should we go with a 710 or the 810? Because I know a lot of companies are starting to develop their hybrid tunes now, and we really want to get one on there. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.